I'm Leslie Chandler, and I'm excited to take you over to Canva and show you how you can create your own Etsy shop banner and Etsy shop icon using their applications. All right, we're going to start out here in my Etsy shop, and then I'm going to go over to the shop manager. I'm going to click on settings, and then I'm going to go to the info and appearance area. So we can scroll down a little bit and we can see that there's the place where we can update our shop icon, and then we can also update our banner here. Now, one of the things that I did this morning was I went to this Get Ideas, clicked on this hyperlink, and it took me over to the Seller Handbook Branding and Marketing, customizing the look of your shop home article. And so you can scroll down a little bit here to the creating the banner, and this is the important part. You have to decide which banner you want to use. There's three choices. You have a big banner, a mini banner, and then you can also use the carousel banner, and that is something that you can get by subscribing to the Etsy Plus. But we're just going to talk about the big banner and the mini banner. And what's important there is that you note the size that you need to use to create the different types of banners. So for the big banner, you need 3,360 times 840 pixels. And then on the mini banner, the best would be 1,200 by 300 pixels. And do note that if you use the mini one, the mini banner, it will shift your listings up higher when you're viewing your shop home on desktop and do not appear on mobile devices. So that's something that you have to consider. So for me, I wanted the big banner, and so I wrote down the size that I would need, 3,360 times 840, and then I went over to Canva. So let's go on over to Canva. All right, we're going to start over in the Canva page, the Canva home page. And if you notice, you can actually go in and search for different templates. So if I search for Etsy shop cover, it will come up. And if you'll notice, the default is for 1200 by 300 pixels, and that's the one that's set for the mini banner. But I want to use a larger banner, and so I don't believe there's one that size that was required. So what I'm going to do is go into the custom size and go ahead and create the size that I want to use, and that is the 3,360 by 840. And I already did that this morning. And so I chose this as my custom size because I want to use the large banner. And this is the banner that I created this morning. And so basically you choose your template like we just did. And I went with a white background. And then I just chose all the elements that I wanted to put in, including one of my photos that I had removed the background in the editing feature. Then it took a while to kind of add my title. I thought it was important to put the date that I started the company so that people would kind of have a trust. They could look at my reviews and then see that I've been around for a while. I'm not just this new pop-up that, they don't know anything about. I added my tag, which is Be a Light, some items that I have in my shop, the specialty items, and then just some more pictures. So I just kind of played with that for a while. And then when I was finished, I saved it. And that was it. That's all you have to do. But I also wanted to create my shop icon to be very similar. I wanted everything to be consistent. So you can create your shop icon in much the same way you created your Etsy shop banner. You can actually look here in this template search, and you can put in the Etsy shop icon and it'll come up. And it does default to the correct size for 500 times 500 pixels. So when you choose that, then you'll just go in and start editing it just like you did your Etsy shop banner. And again, you can choose many from the templates here to work with, or you can start your own custom image, or your own custom Etsy shop icon, which is what I used. And so I went through all of the steps again, and you want to keep it consistent. You want to keep your look consistent. So you want it to look a lot like your Etsy shop banner. And so let me just show you what I came up with this morning for my Etsy shop icon. And let's see, somewhere around here. Well, this is one that I made directly after for my Etsy shop. So my Etsy shop icon looked just like this pretty much without this custom order there. And then I made one for a little icon that I can use anytime someone makes a custom order. So I saved all of these designs, and then I went back over to the Etsy shop, shop manager, info and appearance, and where I was showing you earlier, you would go and upload your new designs. And that's all you have to do to create a new look for your shop with your Etsy banner and your Etsy shop icon. And you can even create some other different things that you can use in part of your marketing strategy right here on Canva. So that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you'll hit that like button and subscribe button so you can come back. Every week I have new content and new things to show you. Have a great day.